Hello guys, we have a preventive maintenance today. This chiller train, that is the model. This is air cold train chiller. So that is the line power. So this contactor is for compressor screw. Circuit 1, circuit 1A, circuit 1B. And that is the contactor for condenser motor. There is a fuse also protection. Contactor for circuit 1A, circuit 1B. So there's also the IPM, the main board for each circuit. So this is for the circuit only one. There's also AXB, high pressure, LP, low pressure, and also the saturated, suction saturated, air temperature. All the protection is here. Protection for the compressor, and also BMS connecting here. This is the keypad screen controlling. This is the circuit 1 screw compressor, circuit 1A, circuit 1B, 2 compressor, and this side circuit 2A compressor only. This is the AXB, that's the AXB, electronic expansion valve. This is for pressure for transducer suction. The discharge is there. Okay. And the back side here ends circuit 2. Only one compressor. This is the contactor or circuit 2, and this is the condenser motor for circuit 2 also. This is for air temperature, humidity, outside temperature, and this IPM also. And the contactor of the condenser. Here is this is the contactor for condenser motor circuit 2. This compressor, this for board, all this IPM for the condenser motor.